Starting fresh. Understanding, have a clean slate. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms, making them easy to understand and use in your daily conversations. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, have a clean slate. This expression is quite common and carries a powerful meaning, especially when talking about mistakes, new beginnings, or second chances. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this phrase. Have a clean slate refers to the situation where all past mistakes, failures, or wrongdoings are forgiven or forgotten, and one can start over again with no record of these issues. It's like wiping the slate clean of any marks, giving a person the chance to begin anew without any prejudices or disadvantages from the past. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal relationships to professional environments, symbolizing fresh starts and new opportunities. Understanding where this phrase comes from can help us appreciate its depth. The term, clean slate, originates from the days before paper and computers when slate boards were used for writing in schools or for keeping scores and accounts in pubs and shops. If a slate was wiped clean, it meant that all previous marks or debts were erased, offering a fresh beginning. This historical context enriches the phrase's meaning, connecting it to the idea of erasing past mistakes and starting over. Using have a clean slate in conversation or writing is a powerful way to express the concept of forgiveness, redemption, or new beginnings. Here are a few examples to show how this phrase can be used effectively. In personal growth, after acknowledging my mistakes and working on my behavior, I felt like I had a clean slate and could work on improving myself without being held back by my past. In relationships, we decided to forgive each other and have a clean slate, moving forward without dwelling on past arguments. In a professional context, the new policy allows employees who have underperformed in the past year to have a clean slate and prove themselves again. These examples show that have a clean slate is versatile and can be adapted to various situations, highlighting the possibility of change and new beginnings. In closing, the phrase, have a clean slate, is a beautiful expression of hope, forgiveness, and the opportunity to start fresh, free from past burdens. Whether you're learning English as a second language or looking to enrich your vocabulary, understanding and using this phrase can help you communicate more effectively about personal transformations, new beginnings, and second chances. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating phrases with you. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.